Nice.
3, 2, 1.
Come on. Oh, this is a good one. Wow. That was a good launch from me. I feel like the torque converter locked quite soon when you're launching it, but then at higher speed I felt like another little lock or something. Do you reckon you can beat me?
I need more temperature in my tires, but it's tough, I think.
Let's have one more go. Oh, it's close, making that bit of traction issues. Come on! Oh, this is crazy! Beautiful launch, synchronised off the line. You were right with me. My car started to go sideways a bit, and then it sorted itself out. So strange that you're going through your gears like that. Whereas this is just, it's just like build power.
It is very different, for sure.
So then what exactly happened? Well, the Regera won. It completed the standing quarter mile in 10.3 seconds. The Agera RS took 10.4 seconds. That means Marcus could not improve on Tom's best time of 10.2 seconds. Take that, internet!
Before our next race, a quick message that could save you big time. If you're looking to buy a used car, bike or van anytime soon, this is for you. We've partnered with our friends at CarVertical to give you a special offer to check it's not a write-off, stolen or had its mileage changed. Look at this Bentley Continental on CarVertical. It's got clean mileage and no damage records, but it's still marked as stolen even after multiple plate changes. You'd never have known that without a car history check. So when buying a used car, bike or van, run a CarVertical report using code CARWOW for 20% off, or follow the link in the description. Now, back to the race.
What we're going to do now is a rolling race over the quarter mile. We're going to drive in around 10 miles an hour. Marcus is going to stay level with me. When the hands go down, we go. You ready, Marcus?
Yes, I'm ready.
Let's go.
3, 2, 1.
That was mad the way that picked up. Do you know what it's like? It's like a wave that grows.
That's a good way to explain it, actually.
So I thought you were going to do better then, but you actually fared worse because this really benefits from that instant pickup and just the swell of torque.
Yeah, I think so too, because in launch I have some boost because it builds up, and now I had zero, so I think I just lost out in the beginning.
What we're going to do then this time is I want you to decide what gear you want to be in. We're probably going to roll in at around 80 kilometers an hour, so 50 miles an hour.
80 kilometers in second gear sounds like a good plan.
So here we go then. 3, 2, 1, go. What? Come on! That wasn't what I was expecting. I want to try that again. I think you might have gone a bit early.
Okay, let's do that.
3, 2, 1, go.